Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Maddie. Today, we're going to look at how to speak English fluently step by step. You can speak fluent English if you follow these steps that I'm going to teach you today. We will also use some common expressions, phrases, sentences, and words while speaking English. To become fluent in any language, the first thing you have to do is to make sure you are learning and practicing the basics regularly. In this video, I will show you some of the things that you need to know. These are my own methods that I use when teaching my private students. Let's get started. The first step is to learn and practice some common expressions, salutations, or greetings and polite phrases. It's very important because it shows respect to the other person you are speaking with. It also makes your conversation flow naturally. Hi, hello. Hi, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you doing today? Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. I'm fine. Thank you. And yourself? And you? What about you? How are you doing? I'm great. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Great. Thanks. I'm good. Thank you. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Bye. Take care. Gotta go now. Gotta go. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Step number 2. Let's look at some common phrases or sentences you can use when meeting someone for the first time. What's your name? My name is. Nice to meet you. I'm from. Where are you from? I'm from. What's your name? My name is. It's nice to meet you. I'm from. Where are you from? I'm from. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. And you? What's your name? My name is. It's nice to meet you. I'm from. Where are you from? I'm from. What brings you here? I'm here too. What brings you here? I'm here too. What do you do? I am a. I do. What do you do? I am a. Now let's look at some simple grammar rules you should be aware of. These are very basic grammar rules. Some beginners make a lot of mistakes with them. Let's look at them. My book is on the table. The book is on the table. Do not say the book is on the table. When we want to talk about something specific, we use the definite article, the singular noun, my book. If you are talking generally about something, then we don't use any articles. For example, cats are beautiful animals. Dogs are loyal. My dog is on the floor. Here, dog is a specific dog. I'm talking about my dog. Now, when we talk about plural nouns, we do not use the definite article, the. This is one of the most common mistakes beginners make. They always say, I have the dogs. No, we don't use the. We just say, I have 2 dogs. I have 2 cats. There is a cat in the box. There are cats in the box. There is a dog under the table. There are dogs under the table. There is a book on the table. There are books on the table. You can download the PDF file with all these rules and examples. The link is provided below. Let's look at some short dialogues or conversations you can use when you are at a shop. Student 1, excuse me. Do you have any jeans in blue? Sure. They are over there. Which size do you want? A size 32. Have you got shirts? Yes, they are over there. How much are these shoes? These shoes are $30. Are there any discounts? Of course. If you buy 2 t-shirts, you get 1 free. That's a good deal. I think I'll take them. Perfect. Will you pay cash or credit card? Cash, please. Here is your receipt. Thank you. Goodbye. Let's look at another conversation you can use when you are at school. Student 1, can you open the window, please? Sure. Is it too hot in here? Yes, it is. I feel sick. Are you going to the doctor? No. My mom is taking me to the hospital. Your mom is taking you to the hospital. Did you finish your homework? No, I forgot about it. Do you have a test tomorrow? Yes, we do. So you have to study tonight. Yeah, I know. Can you help me with chemistry? Of course. Meet me after school near the library. Okay. See you later. Bye. let's look at another conversation you can use when you are at work. Boss, can I speak to the manager, please? Sure. What can I do for you? I would like to apply for the sales position advertised online. Okay, please fill in this application form. Do you have any experience in sales? Yes, I worked in a similar position in a supermarket. That's great. We'll contact you if you get the job. Okay, thank you. As you can see, we use different tenses in these conversations. Past, present, and future tense. All these sentences are in the past tense. I have, I had, he did, she went, they watched. All these sentences are in the present tense. I have, he has, she has, it is, they do. All these sentences are in the future tense. I will, he will, she will, it will, they will. You can download the PDF file with all these conversations and examples. The link is provided below. Now that you have learned some basic grammar and common expressions, it's time to start speaking. But how can you become fluent in English? Here are some tips you can try. Try to think in English every day. Make it a habit. Think of simple things like what you are going to prepare for breakfast, what you were yesterday, what you will wear today. Listen to English songs and learn the lyrics by heart. Sing along. It's a fun way to learn new vocabulary and improve your pronunciation. Read out loud. Reading out loud helps you improve your pronunciation and intonation. You can read anything you like. Newspapers, magazines, books, whatever you like. The most important thing is to read out loud. Talk to yourself. Don't feel shy. This is a great way to improve your fluency and confidence. Talk to yourself in the morning before going to work or school, or in the evening before going to bed. You can ask yourself questions and answer them. Like, what did you do today? How was your day? What are you going to do tomorrow? How are you going to do it? What do you have to do? I hope you enjoyed this lesson. To become fluent in English, you must practice every day. Even if you are busy, you can spare 10-20 minutes a day for learning English. Keep practicing, and soon you will see results. Subscribe to our channel and like this video. Write in the comments section below what difficulties you face in learning English. I will try to make more videos to help you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. If you want to continue learning English, click on the next video. If you like this video, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Hope you have enjoyed this video.